it is beautifully said by Jada Pinkett Smith that communication is the best way for creating strong relationship. So on that note, I would like to welcome all my friends to our channel Carter Cousin. That means a close friend. Here you can come and share your feelings with us. So now I'll be introducing you to my friends.
Hey everyone, Ashok Sinha this side.
Hey everybody, this is Sana.
Hello everyone, Prachi this side.
Hello friends, I am Gaurav. I hope all of you are good.
So today we are going to have a fun session where I would be asking some questions to my friends and they would answer on basis of their life experiences and how they cope up with it. So you all are requested to answer all that question in the comment section below. तो शुरू करते हैं अपने प्रश्नों.
So next 5 years, huh? I don't know about my next year, asking about my next 5 years. Come on. Okay, but if to answer this question, let's see. Okay, let's suppose. Okay, I don't know whether this is gonna happen or not, but गोवा में एक अपना रिजॉर्ट, राइट, और उस रिजॉर्ट में होगा एक बड़ा सा स्विमिंग पूल, बहुत सारे लग्जूरियस रूम्स एंड आई बी द ओनर, राइट. और अच्छा, आप सब मुझसे कहेंगे फार्मेसी क्यों कर रही है? तो फार्मेसी भाई एकदम से थोड़ी रिजॉर्ट खुल जाता है, इन्वेस्टमेंट मनी भी तो चाहिए होता है. सो येस, 5 years later आई see myself owning a resort in Goa, having a chill life, beer in the hand.
I see myself in next 5 years as an entrepreneur because the lifestyle of an entrepreneur is really inspiring. And in entrepreneurship we can learn new things, get new ideas, skills development, etc., which I really like. So yes, I see myself in next 5 years as an entrepreneur.
In next 5 years, I see myself as an independent girl, which I already am, and I'm going to make my mother and father feel proud of it, and I will own my own pet house. So yeah, that's all.
Where do I see myself in next 5 years? So I will be successful entrepreneur for sure. I will open an orphanage. Like starting से thinking रही है कि like we have our helping hands, our guardians, our elder sisters, brothers, they don't have. I want to be that one for them, and I'm planning for that. With God's blessing, I'm on.
So here I want to overcome a fear of stage fear because whenever I go to stage I feel little nervous. So yes, I want to overcome this fear.
Okay, my fear is losing my close ones, because I give my 100% to save my relationship. So I'm really afraid to lose my close ones. That's my biggest fear.
I have a fear of losing relations, like losing my close ones, family, friends, relationship. I don't want to lose anyone. That one fear always been in my mind.
My fear, okay. Do I have a fear? I don't think so. Yeah, I have a fear of dogs. I am really scared of dogs, and this is pretty much it. Everybody knows about it. And I need to overcome, maybe I need to overcome that, because sometimes it can be dangerous. You're walking on a road and a dog comes and you're scared of it, and you know it happens, that chances of accidents and something. But I don't think I have major fears or major anything in my life. I don't think so.
Happiness. Okay. So when my near and dear ones are happy, and especially when the reason is me. So if they're happy because of me, then I'm happy. Simple.
Happiness for me is feeling of positivity, pleasure, and satisfaction. And you need some source for all these things. और वो source कुछ भी हो सकता है, like literally anything. For me, happiness is like I'm driving my car and Listening my favorite playlist is happiness. Get together of friends and family is happiness. Like वो कोई भी सोर्स जिससे आपको वो प्लेजर फीलिंग आए, सेटिस्फेक्शन फीलिंग आए, हैप्पीनेस.
Happiness for me is anything which brings peace to my mind and my soul. Basically, if I need to be happy, I need to be at peace, I need to be relaxed, and I need to enjoy whatever I'm doing. If I am enjoying something I do, if I am in a peace with my environment, I am happy in that moment. For instance, having a chocolate makes me happy. For instance, having a get together with family, with friends, going on trips with friends, or partying with friends, and having a really good chit chat with your family members, or just doing nothing, just sitting together with each other, sitting together with your loved ones, and having a cup of tea, that gives you happiness. Watching a movie or maybe a series which you can relate with, and which brings peace to yourself, which gives enjoyment to you, or you are totally relaxed watching it. So all these things are happiness.
See, every person has his own definition of happiness, but for me, happiness is unplanned trips and enjoyment with friends.
For me, failure is just a happening which happened. You can't change that, right? So first thing you have to do, accept what happened. Like जो हो गया उसे आप बदल नहीं सकते. Second thing, find some inspiration. Google some famous failures and take a back step. Analyze the reason. हर चीज का एक रीजन होता है, तो रीजन एनालाइज करो एंड गिव अ स्ट्रोक. फेलियर एक फुल स्टॉप नहीं है, इट्स अ कोमा कि टाइम लो, एनालाइज करो और फिर से दौड़ पड़ो इसमें.
fail होना, पास होना, it's nothing. It's just you've tried something, you either pass it, you either fail it, right? अगर आप एक चीज़ को पास कर देते हो तो क्या होता है कि आपको कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाता है कि हाँ मुझे ये चीज़ आती है, मैंने ये चीज़ कर ली. But if you get fail in it, if you fail in a particular thing, or in maybe a subject for that matter, तो आपको लगता है कि यार ये मुझसे होगा नहीं. So first thing you need to do is you need to stay away from the negativity arising from a failure. You don't need to think negative. You need to be positive that yes, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जो मैं नहीं कर सकती या नहीं कर सकती. You can do everything, क्योंकि at the end of the day we all are humans, right? अगर कोई और पास हो सकता है तो आप भी हो सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. But the thing is, to deal failure, you first need to be positive, and you need to practice makes the man perfect. is something कि कोई भी चीज़ एक्सेल करने के लिए उस चीज़ को रिपीटेटिवली प्रैक्टिस करना और ये रिवाइज करना कि क्या रीजंस हो सकते हैं, क्या पॉसिबल रीजंस हो सकते हैं टू फेल इन अ
failure. See, in my opinion, if any person wants to overcome failure, then he has to push more efforts in his field, and he has to accept his mistakes, because acceptance of mistakes is the first step towards success. And as we know, mistakes and the failure are directly proportional to each other. More the mistakes, more chances of failure. So if any person wants to overcome failure, then he has to accept his mistakes and correct them properly.
How to deal with failure? This is a very important question because a lot of people are struggling. They don't know how to deal with it. They get depressed by it. So I would like to tell you that जितने भी सक्सेसफुल पीपल हैं उनकी लाइफ में फेलियर तो ज़रूर आया ही होगा कभी, तो उन्होंने उसे एक्सेप्ट करा और फिर वो आगे बढ़े. अगर तुम वहीं पे ही अटके रहोगे या उसी के बारे में सोचते रहोगे तो लाइफ में कभी मूव ऑन नहीं कर पाओगे. उसे सीख कर नेक्स्ट टाइम और बेटर करोगे तो डेफिनेटली यू आर गोइंग टू बीट इट.
what I believe is that we should be grateful for everything that we have in our lives, right? You should be grateful to Almighty for every bit, every single thing He has provided you with. You have, I am grateful for my home, I am grateful for my parents, I am grateful for my family, I am grateful for my lovely friends, and I am grateful for like this life. And I don't think there is, I can say a single thing that I'm grateful for, that it would be like an unjust thing to the others. So one grateful thing, it's I guess it should be like all the things you have in your life, and this should be the case with everybody, that satisfaction with whatever you have is something that should be within everybody. This feeling should be there with everybody, that you should be grateful for each and every bit and each and every day given to you. So yes, for me, I am grateful for like everything I have with me, and grateful for everything He has not given me, because even that has a reason to it. If I want something and I'm not getting it or something like that, I really believe that there is a reason to it, and you should be grateful for both whatever you have and what you don't have. So yeah, I think I have given a very diplomatic answer, but this is it.
See, I am most grateful for my parents, my beloved brother and sisters, and my mentors who gives me a constant source of inspiration, and my friends who helps me in every situation. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay safe.
Okay, I'm grateful for Almighty because I'm getting food on my table during this pandemic, and we all are safe. That's good. And I'm grateful for my parents because they are very supportive. I'm grateful for my friends, my cousins who always motivate me. Yeah, that's all.
I am grateful for whatever I have, like food to eat, home to sleep, family, friends. See, जो आपके पास है वो हर किसी के पास नहीं होता. So be thankful, be grateful for what you have. I literally thank God for like मुझे एक पूरा body structure देने के लिए. Even I'm thankful for like I have hands, I have legs. Literally, I am grateful for everything I have.
तो जैसे कि आप लोगों ने देखा, मेरे फेज ने कितनी ऑनेस्टली आंसर करा. Now it's your turn to comment your answer in the comment section below.
So, talking about Carter Cousins, it's an online platform which gives you solution for all your problems. So, yeah, go and follow them.
As your tagline, a close friend. Yes, you are a very good friend. Like you made things possible when everything seemed impossible. You helped me out so much, like without judging me, without judging my problem. So thank you so much, and keep growing, keep helping, and all the best for the future.
So talking about Carter Cousin, yes, Carter Cousin is something. Look, this website and this page provides you a platform to share whatever you feel like. You know, you want to share your day with somebody, you can do that. You want to share your problems with somebody, you can do that. You need a solution to a problem, you can get it over here. You need a friend to talk with. You need somebody to talk to. You know, maybe time pass as well. So Carter Cousin is a platform. You know, it plays exactly the same role that your friend, your best friend plays with you. That's why we say that Carter Cousin is a close friend. So yes, Carter Cousin, a close friend, and I hope you all will connect with it and promote it as much as possible. And yay, Carter Cousin.
So guys, मिलते हैं next video में. Till then, stay happy, stay positive. Bye and thank you for watching. और guys, like and subscribe किए बिना how will you get stay tuned? So please guys, do like, subscribe and share because your support is our foundation.